For 5, we have the Hiboy S2. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It stands out with its robust 350-watt motor that delivers a satisfying top speed of 18.6 miles per hour. This electric scooter features dual riding modes: drive mode at 13 miles per hour for efficiency and sport mode at maximum speed. The 36-volt 7.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides up to 17 miles of range, though realistic range averages 8 to 10 miles depending on riding conditions. Built with durability in mind, it includes solid honeycomb tires, rear dual-spring suspension, and both electronic and disc braking systems. Safety features include LED deck lighting, headlight, taillight, and wheel reflectors. The scooter boasts an IPX4 water resistance rating for light rain protection. With a 220-pound load capacity and weighing just 31.9 pounds, the S2 combines portability with performance. The charging time is 4 to 6 hours, and the smart battery management system prevents overcharging.